It's barely light out, and my friends are still sleeping. And I kind of feel like the mom who leaves at sunrise and leaves a note that I love you very much, but you're in the care of your father now. I'm a bit shy because I'm not the only person here. And these two people probably are some of those people who saw us goofing around in the water park yesterday. Because one of my friends, she said to me that the corporate men, because it's so obvious that it was a company outing. One of my friends, because what we are doing, we were on the pool. We have this huge life lifeboat that we normally use on the water slide, and the two of them, they were pushing me on because the pool was so huge and there is these little channels. The two of them, they are pushing me. I was riding on the lifeboat, and then they, at some points, they were shouting, "Oh, simulation!" And then they will start splashing water on and then shake the water donut. That's how it looks. So, and one of my friends, she told me that the I saw the men looking at us, the corporate men. And then she said, I thought they were judging us because they were not kids. We are not kids anymore. But then a few moments later, they did the same thing. they I didn't see this. But apparently the men also traversed the channels of the pool through a water donut. They took turns, and yeah. It's so funny. I think it's one of those moments where everyone appears to be a mature adult, but then once they see someone who is, or once they see people who are brave enough to just do fun things, they start doing the same. Yeah. It's I didn't expect the water park at all. I didn't know that there is. I have never been in a water park before. This is the first time. And I was just imagining the entire time that how fun it would have been if I had seen this as a kid. But yeah, I'm still a kid now. It's a secret most of the time, but well, maybe another thing that I am thinking of in the confession sauna yesterday that I wasn't able to verbalize in a way is how or why the joy feels like it has roots, that if someone tries to step on the flower of my joy, it will not die because the roots are very big and it grows deeper until on the bedrock or the core of the earth. If I am the earth, the joy reaches the roots. The roots of the joy reaches to the core of the earth. I was thinking about that because if I saw the water park or the water slide or have been on the water slide as a child, I bet it wouldn't. Well, I don't know. Is the quality of joy is the quality of the joy of a child bigger than the adults because they have smaller bodies? Maybe I'm wrong with not having the ability to feel this kind of joy if I was a child. Maybe I'm wrong, but at least now I know that this joy feels deeper or larger because it has layers to it. See, when I was in the sauna, I was thinking, I'm inside the sauna in a first world country. After my 7 years in Europe, and as the same person who was eating rice and soy sauce when I was at some point when I was little. So you see, there's multiple layers to it, and there are still other layers that I thought of why I felt that kind of joy or stillness that is very pure, blissful. Maybe that's the proper word. Feels very blissful even if I'm not doing anything exciting. I was just sitting inside the sauna having some coffee. So, and it felt like the most wonderful thing in the world. And then I asked myself, why is that? I'm literally not doing anything exciting right now. I'm just sitting. I asked myself, why is that? And I got the answer of, well, that's because of the other things that had happened before, that you went through before you could get this relaxing point that you can just sit and drink coffee inside a sauna. So I was really grateful to be alive at that point, at that moment. It's so nice, it's so nice. And there have been so many discoveries regarding this trip. And another one that I have not realized if I have not been with my friends. They spoke with me about this. Sorry, I got distracted by the ticking clock again. My friends, I forgot when exactly they shared this to me. I bet this was already when we were finished dressing up to go back to the cottage where we would be making dinner. They thanked me. They thanked me they thanked me because they said that if it wasn't for me, they wouldn't be brave enough to go on the huge or the largest water slide. It wasn't as if I was not scared. I am. I just thought that the scary element and the scary element is smaller than the exciting element. So I still went even if the scary element is relatively large as well. And because of this, when they saw me come out on the other side, still alive, they were like, oh, maybe it's not that bad. Maybe we can also do this. And they it took maybe 2 slides for them to start having fun. Because the other 2 is just getting over the fear. The first 2 is just getting over the fear. And then the other 2, look at how beautiful where I am. Yeah, I told them also yesterday, this is not something that I could afford. I can spend my money on this, but I would not, because I know that there are more essential things that my money is allocated for. Look how fancy this is, and you have not seen even the best parts of it. And I'm only here because my friend won a holiday pocket and package won a holiday package. My friend won a holiday package. One of my friends won a holiday package. Ano ba yan? Ay! One of my friends, she won a holiday package. And I just had to chip in 100 euros for it. And we could have stayed here for a week. But we won't. Because I had to work. Yeah, I had to. The system is intervening in the having fun of the humans. So, well, this is also a product of the system, but yeah. I just opened some doors in my head that made me want to stop this and just go to the next chapter. Because it's not like I hate the system. I just hate that there are only few people that could get greedy and it derails the experience for the rest of us. That's the bit that I hate. I'm okay with the system, with working or doing something that I don't really prefer for the greater good or something like this. But I don't like the bit where some people can just be, few people can just be greedy or can just be violent, and it ruins the human experience for the rest of us. Maybe literally 5 people could just be, these 5 people can accumulate that power. Only 5. And it could degrade the experience for the rest of the other billions. That bit I don't like. But if people just support each other or build towards something that's enhancing the experience of the others, that I like. That I'm okay with. But I'm not okay with greed. That's the only thing I don't like. But yeah, I guess I should turn the page. I should turn the page.